What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I know it's been a long week damn near, man. We're about to hop in the Camaro and head to LA, man. They put a sticker on the Saturn yesterday saying I had to move it because it didn't have no registration or nothing. So I'm about to start this thing up and switch spots with that, and then put my little placard that's in the window right there on that car. So I'll catch you guys when we're on the road. Getting pulled over right now. Yeah, that just happened. 102 miles an hour in a Camaro. Wow, dude, this sucks. Kind of shaking right now. See me shaking. It's cold, and I just hate having police behind me. Shit. Fuck. Now it's not a fake shake, by the way.
There's that.
Cool, thanks.
All right, so I even gave you an even bigger break just for.
I appreciate you, man.
Just for admitting to your guilt, because I gave a girl yesterday the opportunity, and she was hell bent she was going the speed limit, even though she was going 97.
Right.
So, whatever.
Right. Yeah.
So you at least owned up to it. So I'm lowering it down to 90 miles an hour for you.
Appreciate it.
I probably just cut your fine bill close to half.
Wow.
Because the new judge that we have, he's been pretty
lenient.
Not lenient on the fines.
Lenient. Oh, okay. Not lenient. Okay.
I mean, he just gave someone our last court date before they got shut down was a little over $1,100 for someone that a little over something in the 100. So,
sheesh.
So 90, you'll probably get somewhere. Don't quote me on this because I don't make the prices.
$500-$600.
Somewhere probably between $400 and $500, I would guess.
Okay,
but either way, it's gonna keep you, and it's not gonna have any risk of suspending your license. Okay, right. Man.
Yeah.
So like I said, 22356 subsection B of the vehicle code is exceeding 70. I'm just putting this in parentheses just to let the judge know I gave you a break.
Okay.
Just in case you want to come to court and say I was a jerk and all this other stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Which I know I'm not, but people do that.
No, I understand that.
All right. So just sign in the red box. By signing in the red box, it's not an admission of guilt. It's just saying it's your promise to take care of the matter. As I stated, you don't have to appear, so I'm saving you that hassle also.
Right.
Because anything faster than that 25 miles an hour above the speed limit,
you gotta come.
It's a mandatory court appearance by yourself or by representation. So I'm also saving you that hassle.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
All right.
Cool.
There's your ticket. If you have questions, there's a phone number down at the bottom. There's also a website address at the back at the top. Okay, sir?
All right, cool.
All right, so just drive safe, okay? Slow down.
Cool.
And,
thanks, man.
All right,
man. So, cool cop, though, man. He let us get out the car, snap a picture for Instagram or YouTube or whatever. Man, and that's how you get a ticket after quarantining and just having a need for speed in your freaking brand new Camaro on nothing but open road. Dude said he clocked me at 102 miles an hour. He was on the opposite side of the road though, which I understand they have the reversible speed tracker or whatever it said. But I ain't gonna lie, mine was up there somewhere. But man, it just sucks. I'm glad it wasn't like much faster, because I was going a little bit faster before that. But all in all, it was a cool cop, man. It just sucks. It had to be on the one day that I freaking hit the road. I guess I'm a little too anxious, but it is what it is, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. Ooh, we got a vet. Got a vet out here. Why didn't he take out way before me, though? Like, come on, man. I can't go nowhere. Let's get side by side and let's line them up. Mike got some action. Ooh, that's the CO6. Never mind. I can't fuck with that. Nah, it's not a Hellcat, it got fog lights. And guys, we have made it to the lovely Los Angeles, California, man. Finally made it after a ticket and like 4 police cars later. We out here, man, and it's like literally no traffic. It's a Tuesday at 9:43, whereas this freeway would be literally super, super packed. You guys see how it is right now. Literally nobody's out. So that just makes it easier for us to get where we need to go, get there, and get out of here. But pretty smooth ride. So we're just cruising around LA right now. Y'all just take a roll with me and come check us out, man. So y'all know I have to slide on We Jammin', man. Come and get some of that good old good. Y'all see what I got in a minute. Got X's and squares on front around the floor, 6 feet apart. Guys, and if you're seeing what I'm seeing, it definitely is. It's like it's Fruity Pebble French toast, chicken tenders, and potatoes, man. You can't go wrong, man. Good way to start the day, man. That nigga's crazy. That nigga's crazy. I'm riding on the freeway right now and the homie flew by me. This nigga be fucking going crazy. Let's see. Man, so we just pulled up to our boy house, man. You see the Camaro, he pretty much got the same identical Camaro. But his is like blacked out, full tint, with the black beefy wheels on that thing. I seen him from far back on the freeway. Dude was just flying. I'm like, damn. These taillights look hard though. Dig that. A little MPP. You dig, man? White on white things. Feel me? We back in Camaro land, man. The other homie pulled up with the other 5th gen. Ooh, he got the bumper on there too. Got the Z01 bumper on there. That shit fresh. Fresh meaty tires on that joint. Oh yeah. Yeah, that motherfucker is nice.
Yep. Sooner you get the intake.
Ooh.
Yep.
You got the Magnuson, the Mighty Mouse catch can.
Yep.
Fucking. You do anything else to it, or you just added the blower?
Just at the blower right now, and then the Mighty Mouse catch can. The next thing I gotta do now is just injectors and fuel pump.
Oh, okay.
All A-in fittings and all braided.
They have to do it. You have to put a cam in for this, or no?
No.
Nah.
No, still stock cam, stock.
Oh,
stock.
cause you got the fucking manual.
I got manual, but yeah, I don't even know. No cam or nothing. Still a stock setup. Just the only thing I changed was intake, stock intake out, supercharger.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's it. Nothing.
That's wild. See, they was telling me I had to do a whole bunch of shit to my shit, man. That shit crazy. Yeah.
I got the casino seats too.
On me, the Recaros. Let me check this shit out, man. Yeah, these motherfuckers go hard. Yeah, you and this nigga know it, man. These motherfuckers is fly. Yeah, this shit look hella hard. Got the fucking... Yeah, bro. When you turn it up, you really gonna enjoy it, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, we hear the homie like miles away. It's gotta be him. Let's see if he pull up in a vet, man. We've been hearing noises for like 30 seconds.
There you go.
Told you. You hear that nigga blocks away. Everybody in them white things, man.
That's why I said I want to do exhaust, fool.
Telling you.
Go down, my nigga.
Hit him in first gear one time. Oh, man, I'm about to break my axle for you. I know the other homie pulled up in a vet. Y'all feel me? Violent vets with the all black murdered out thing on them things, man. Ooh, with the bead locks. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Dude been breaking axles and all that. That's what I'm talking. That's what you call traction. This thing fly though with these wheels. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. We might have to race our Camaro out, man. I don't know. We'll see though. We'll see. This motherfucker hot. The homie letting this nigga dry. You got room? You good, nigga?
No.
This nigga was good. Hey, good. That nigga, So, alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We made it back to the crib next morning here. About to upload this video for y'all real quick. We got the Saturn over there still. They put like some bunch of stickers on it. I told y'all that earlier in the video. They put a bunch of stickers on it, so we got that taken care of so far. Gotta go get a car wash on this thing in the meantime. But the auctions are pretty much closed, guys, so I'm gonna have to figure out a different route to go with this channel. With that being said, I'm gonna be doing the next video. We're gonna be doing the 5 things I like about the Camaro, and then maybe another video, 5 things I hate about it, and then showing you some interesting features that no one else on YouTube seems to know about the Camaro. So I haven't really seen nobody else do it or show you these features, so I'll show you guys that in the next video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, man. I hope everybody's out there is well and you know, healthy. Tough times won't last long, and you know, only the strong survive, man. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Let's get into it, man. Peace.